You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so this is what I'm doing today. I've elected to cover my transmission tunnel now so I can install it, tie it down, and then put the floorboards down and everything else. So I just need this out of the way because it's going to be a pain in the ass if I tie it down now and then try to do all the magic that I'm doing to it right now. So I've got a couple pieces here so far. This one, which wasn't too awfully bad. Where's that? It's this one. And I've got that already cut out and put up, and this one here. As you can see, this one here has a couple of I don't know, seams that I've done. Right here is right here. Now I need to put some double-sided tape on the back of it, some carpet tape, but I have sewn this by hand, and there it is. Yeah, so I've got this one still left to do, but it's a little bit late, and I want to go to bed here sometime soon. At least get my my next day planned out. And yeah, not bad, not bad at all. I have this to do. Let's see, where are they? I got this one here left. I've got this one here left. And then this last big piece over here is actually for the rearmost portion of it. I plan on sewing also, what do you call it, bunting, at carpet edging, something, I don't know what you call it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do some carpet edging on this seam here, but when I do the facing floorboards here, I'm gonna I'm gonna definitely have those things edged so that they look nice. Yeah, I might do that here too. It kind of depends. I'm having good luck, obviously, with sewing that. Again, once that double-sided tape, carpet tape is on the back, you're not gonna see that. Maybe if I just fiddle up with the fuzz. Yeah. So I've also got, for here, I've got my beauty ring from Moss and the boot. I stupidly ordered a separate boot, so I'll probably return that or keep it. Who knows, I don't need another one. And that will go like so. Ish. So you can already tell, actually it's more like this. So you're going to be able to tell that there's a little bit of an overhang here. I've already squished this down through the center point here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to squish it down, bend it basically on the long axis, and attach it that way. Yep. So that's enough. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, I'll take a shower and then go to bed. Okay, so this is done. I've more or less hand sewn all of these pieces together. I had a couple of parts where I said hell with it and started over, actually. So I didn't like the way it looked and the way it laid down. But this is it. Again, I've hand stitched all of this stuff together because the pieces aren't, as you can see, there's a curve in here, there's a curve in there, and it didn't make it a straight drop a piece of carpet onto the tunnel and glue it down kind of a deal. And I want this to look nice. I'll pause and turn this over, you can see how it looks. And that's the other side. Once I get this onto the transition tunnel, I'm going to kind of brush this out so it looks a little bit better. You can kind of see some, what do you call it, wrinkles, I guess. I'm a little leery of ironing this thing too badly. I ironed this seam here from the other side. You can kind of see where it got squished down, so I've got to fluff that up again with a nylon brush. Make sure it looks nice. Next step is to put the gaiter, transmission gaiter, in there, and the chrome trim ring above that, which I'll then mount to the to the entire transmission tunnel, so it'll look pretty nice, I think, once I'm done. And right quick, when I glue this, I've got some spray adhesive, some 3M headliner stuff. It's really pretty good. I'm going to do the top portion of the transmission tunnel first, and then turn everything up to spray it there, so I can stretch it a little bit and make sure that everything is covered up as it should be. I also need to put a layer of glue here and up to the end of the transmission tunnel, the forward portion, which is here. Yeah. Once this is actually in the car, I gotta think about this. Anyway, once this is actually in the car, I'll do the rear portion. When I start doing the floorboards, I'm gonna have this lined in what do you call it? Fake leather stuff, so it looks nice, like not a beauty ring, but you know. Anyway, yeah. So there we go. Okay, here we go. This is probably as far as I can take this. I blew my back out a little while ago, and I can't do a whole lot of heavy stuff. So before I do any more gluing, I need to put this in the car and tie it in. So this entire piece here is not yet glued down. You can see some ripples here. They'll get smoothed out once it does get glued down and stretched a little bit. I got the beauty piece on, the beauty ring. I got the whole thing nice and smoothed down. Yeah, not bad. All that's hand stitched. I'm proud of myself. True story, I learned to sew when I was about 3 from my mom, who was tired of sewing my teddy bear's head back on when I'd rip it off. Gave me a curved needle and told me how to thread the thing and to fix my own goddamn bear. And here we go from there. Not bad. Not bad.